You can see this short blasting unit with 16 blasting turbines with 11 volts mode. The whole length of the blasting chamber is around 18 meters. This is a pass-through type hanger short blasting machine. The blasting chamber welded together by high magnet steel plate. The whole blasting chamber welded by 16 millimeters high magnet steel plate. The front and the rear vestibules also with inside the high magnet liner. You can see this is the liner length. It's around 1.8 meters. Today we are going to deliver the short blasting unit with 16 blasting turbines for barbecue tree or baking tree.